All right, here we are inside the best stacker trailer on the market. I want to show you some of the features that this trailer has that none of the other ones did. This one here has got the front mount air conditioner inside, 18,000 BTU. It'll cool this trailer off no problem. It's got a remote control so you can control it from anywhere you need to inside of the trailer or outside. It's got your 110 volt, 12 volt converter in here. It's got your radio, of course. It's got your plug above your countertop right here so you can plug your laptop, whatever you need to up. It's got a light under the overhead. This trailer also has a 10-foot loft up here for storage. You can put anything you want to up there. It's also got the white and blue lights in here. Also, very nice accent. Trailer has a 16-foot car lift made by Titan, 6,000 pound towing capacity on it. It's got the full center insert. You can put anything you need to up there to make it for easy hauling. This is a 6,000 pound lift made by Titan. It's one of the best lifts on the market, if not the best. It's got a 6,000 pound towing capacity. It's got your aluminum ramps that you can put on the back to load your car on and off with. And of course, it's got your full deck in here. This trailer also has a nice set of glass sliding doors on the back. That way you can keep that air conditioner you got on the front inside of your trailer. Easy sliding, open. You can store them back out of the way. That way you can load your stuff up in here very easy. And they ain't gonna go nowhere. Trailer's got plenty of tie downs in the floor. It's got a wing out back with your loading light so you can see at night. It's got your wide entry ramp door so you can fit about any car, any truck, anything you need to come in here. So if you're looking for one of these trailers, give us a call or look us up on social media, Facebook or Instagram. Thank you.